What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to beat the 2700 rated agent chess bot on chess.com with 3 stars. So I just did it multiple times. I found a secret strategy. Maybe I don't know how secret it is, but it's a strategy that you can use to beat the agent chess. Here's what you need to do. And by the way, I should mention, you should probably be 1500, maybe 1600 rated to pull this off. You might have more difficulty if you're below that. But if you're a 15 rated 100 player, I'm pretty sure you can do this, okay? What you need to do is when you play the bot, you need to play it in a 1-minute game, okay? And the reason you want to do this is because your strategy is going to be beat the agent on time. Okay, because notice how he thinks. He thinks like a second or two every move, pretty much. That's your key to win, okay? So you just play really fast. You have to play like good, solid moves that are going to make the game kind of drag on a little bit, so don't get checkmated like right away. But as long as you don't get checkmated early and the game lasts, I don't know, like 30, 40, 50 moves, something like that, you're going to be guaranteed to win on time, okay? Look how slow he's playing. Look at his time, 40. I'm not even playing that fast because I'm talking and I'm just taking it easy. But look at his time. He's just thinking every move. He just thinks for a little bit. So you have to go into it with that strategy, right? And all I'm going to do is just like play some stuff like this. I'm not even going to try to do anything. I'm just going to sit back and, you know, whatever. I guess we'll just move the knight somewhere. Okay, let's lock up the position. If you can lock up the position, that's great. So he's got me. I'm losing my rook. It doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter. I'm going to win on time, right? So we'll go here. Let's move the knight. Okay, he puts me in check. Queen trades are perfect. Okay, let's do it. It's over now. He's lost. I'm just going to flag him. I'm just going to move really quickly, and it's all over. We'll go here. We'll go here. We'll take that or do something else. Let's just push a pawn. Doesn't really matter. Don't overthink it. Look at his time. 6 seconds, 5 seconds. What's he thinking for? What's he thinking for? See? We got him. Just like that. And I'll just play again just to prove that it's not luck. All right, so let's play a new game. Here we go. Agent. 1-minute game. Let's go. I think if you play any longer, he won't run out of time. He'll probably beat you on. He'll probably checkmate you before he runs out of time. But in a 1-minute game, you can pretty much get away with this. We'll just defend. And you can even like stop and think a little bit in a key moment. But then once the position gets a little bit easier for you to play, just crank out some like really quick moves, you know, pre-move a castle, pre-move bringing out your bishop, right? Pre-move this. This is pretty easy stuff to do, right? I'll pre-move this. I'll pre-move this. And notice you're going to get a huge time advantage, right? So, okay, let's go here. Try to get the queen trades. Perfect. He's done for. We got him. Ooh, I didn't see that. Wasn't expecting that. Doesn't matter. Keep moving fast. You're going to still win on time, right? Even blundering a piece. Doesn't matter. Trade pieces when you can, because the end game, you're more likely to survive longer. And then you just pre-move. Pre-move it out. Look at this. Just pre-move stuff. I mean, I have 50 seconds. He's got 10? I'm pretty sure this is like the weakest 2700 bot that I've ever played, though, to be honest with you. It really just, I don't know. Doesn't seem like bullet is its. I'm not even gonna let it get a queen. It's not gonna have time. Look at this. I'm blundering pieces. Doesn't matter. Okay, that's the strategy. That's how you beat the agent chess bot with 3 stars. Do me a favor, comment down below if you tried it and it works. Let me know. I want to see how many people have beaten the agent chess. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. As always, stay sharp, play smart, take care.